All right, so once again, my name's Dean. I'm up here at North Tonawanda, New York at the Colton RV dealership, and today we're going to be going over the KZ Confluence 23RE. Starting on the outside here, first with this 18-foot awning, covering up the majority of the outside of your trailer then. You've also got your outdoor speakers, along with your plug-ins, in case you want to go ahead and, if the Bills are doing any good, maybe put a TV out here, watch the games. Coming around to the front, once again, just your simple pass-through storage. You have got your crank for your leveling jacks then as well. This one also comes prepped with the TPMS sensor system for your tires. Coming all the way around to the front, just like most of the other KZ Confluences here then, you've got your electric power jack, along with two 20-pound propane tanks. Same thing, it's got your selector level so that you can select just one tank or the other or both. Simply other side of your pass-through there, and as you can see, it is already pre-wired for solar, so if you wanted to do a little boondocking or being off the grid, we can always get you set up through our parts department with a couple of solar panels and get that all set up for you. Docking station again as well, just like the other ones. This is going to be where your water hookups are and everything, along with that hose, in case you need to hose off the kids or the dogs so they're not bringing any mud inside. So this is going to be the first side of what makes this coach as nice as it is for that rear entertainment area. So this is going to be your slide for your secondary couch as well. Another stabilizing jack, obviously, on the back corner, making sure everything's all nice and level for you. Now, the 23RE does come with a ladder, always set up there, so in case you can keep an eye on your roofs, make sure everything looks good. It is a fully walkable roof. This one does also come prepped for your backup camera if needed. So this one does come with our Arctic package for those wonderful Buffalo winters that we're so used to up here. So what that means is it comes with a completely sealed underbelly as well as force air heat, so you don't have to worry about those tanks underneath there freezing at all. Also super pet friendly, so you'll notice that when we get inside, always easy to clean, the linoleum floors and everything in there. You've also got your leash hitch, so those little pet friends don't have to worry about running off or anything like that. Big guy like me, I don't know that I could pull that out of there. All right, and so then again, with this being the 23RE, the RE stands for rear entertainment, and this is one of my favorite features on this coach completely. You have got this massive rear entertainment area, not something that you see on a lot of 23-foot coaches. You've got a big L-shaped couch here, large entertainment system in front of you, your Bluetooth compatible stereo, speakers, also able to be hooked up to your TV there. Multiple storage areas on either side, as well as underneath for any game consoles, DVDs, anything along those lines you might be wanting to put on. And then now this is one of my favorite features about these. You'll notice this L-shaped couch looks super comfortable and everything already. What's real nice is that on both sides, you've got these pull-out ottomans. So whether you want to use it to put your feet up, whether you want to use it for storage, for blankets, pillows, anything else you might need underneath there. Or, what you can also do, pull them both out, pull the cushions down, and you've got your extra sleeping area for any guests that you might have visiting. You got your dinette over here on your left-hand side then as well. That's where your slide bump out comes. One of my other nice favorite features on this one here then as well is with your storage areas underneath. Now what a lot of people don't realize is that with the Confluence, they actually give you this nice plastic storage bin that goes all the way in, so this way you don't have to sit there and try to fish stuff out of the back after it's been there a little bit. All right, so then working our way towards the front of the coach, again, really big pantry. Not something you often see on a 23-foot coach there. All kinds of storage area in that. Up here, you've got your full control panel, along with your digital thermostat. As you can see, it's a toasty 64 in here today. More storage for your kitchen area. Large rectangular, deep farm-style sink here. Along with your simple cover then as well, again. Same thing with all the other Confluences there also. Standard 3-burner stove. You've got your oven, and then your Furon microwave, along with your vent hood and light. To the right of the kitchen here, you've got a really nice sized bathroom then. You've got your vent up top, standard porcelain toilet, medicine cabinet, and a shower that, again, even a big enough guy like myself can fit in there comfortably. Then we move on our way. You've got your 12-volt refrigerator, freezer on top, refrigerator on the bottom. Opening that up, as you can see, tons and tons of room in there. Same thing with your freezer. And then moving all the way to the front, you have got your queen-size bed. Once again, dressers with more than enough room to hang up shirts there so they're not dragging on the ground. You got a standard push-button light above for both of you, and then 2 separate reading lights. Same thing, 2 outlets there then as well for all those phones and tablets and everything that need to be charged every day. So again, my name's Dean. What I've shown you here today is the KZ Confluence 23RE. If you like these or any of the other units you see on our website, by all means, feel free to reach out to myself. My direct number here is 716-694-0188. And again, that's going to be for Dean, and it's extension 434. Hope to talk to you soon.